show you where the Centennial Fire hit our fuel break. This cheatgrass cycle is just really frustrating. Getting this in place is a way to stop that cycle.
One of the main goals of the fuel breaks is we've got our folks out here, and these give them a place to start safely. There's less vegetation, less flame leaf, less fire intensity, less heat, and it gives them a starting point that they can initially attack the fire with some buffer. These also could act to mitigate some of the fire that we cannot staff if we don't have enough resources.
The first time I saw this fuel break, I thought it looked really ugly, and I still think that it does. And I think that what is important for people to know is that it's ugly for a reason. So the purpose of this fuel break is to hopefully stop an advancing fire. It's intended to give our firefighters a place where they can make a stand, basically.
We want to protect the remaining sagebrush. These are our best tool. Otherwise, we're going to have larger areas of stuff like behind you where the rehab efforts are going on. There's still a lot of cheatgrass.
This is how green it is in July, almost mid-July, and it's doing just fine. You look at the ground, so you have your kochia plants and then you have nothing in between. That's the end state that we're after. A happy, unburnable